Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do an unboxing and hands-on with a Bluetooth speaker from Detel in India. So this is the Detel Rockstar Bluetooth speaker which was announced a few days back, and this device is priced 9,999, that's 1K pricing. And this has quite good specifications as well. You can see this supports a micro SD card. You can make calls. There is USB support. There is FM radio and 1200 mAh capacity battery, and Bluetooth is available. So the speaker looks really nice in terms of design. So let's see how good the quality of the speaker is. So this is the specifications. You can see working distance is 10 meter and battery is 1200 mAh capacity, and speaker driver is 52 into 2, and all the other options are mentioned here. Playback time is 4 hours and charging time is playback time is around 3 hours, and charging time with 1.5 ampere charging is 4 hours, and it's 450 grams in size. So that's the specification. So let's open the box, then we'll connect this speaker to a smartphone and play some sound. So there you go. So this is the inside the box. You get the charging cable. So let's just take this out. So you can see the charging cable is included. This is standard micro USB charging cable, and it also comes with an aux cable. You can connect your smartphones directly. So that's included. Then you have the speakers. So that's the speaker. So let's just take this out. So there you go. So that's the Bluetooth speaker from Detel, and let's now pair this speaker with our smartphone. So before pairing, you can see that the material quality looks quite okay for the pricing it is being offered. So we have two speakers here, and this has a pretty good grip mechanism. This is made of plastic, so this gives you good grip. And here we have the functional keys, so volume keys, power button, FM radio, and you can see this has quite good looks as well. And the back panel has the charging slot, the aux cable, and this is also USB support. And you can also see it also supports micro SD card. You can insert a SD card and play music. So let's just power it on. So
the Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So now it's ready to pair. So let's just turn on the Bluetooth on a smartphone and see the devices available. So you can see Rockstar is selected. So let's just pair this.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So it's now connected for calls and media. So let's just play a soundtrack, and then we'll show you the performance. So this is the play button. So there is an indicator here. So that's the speaker performance. You can see that the bass performance isn't really that impressive, but overall the quality looks kind of okay for the pricing it is being offered. Remember, this is a kind of 1K priced Bluetooth speaker, and for that pricing this looks quite good, and the build quality, and you can see this having a really good design as well. It's a trendy design, and you also get FM radio, and you also can play music from USB pen drives and a micro SD card, and you can also accept calls. So looks wise this is definitely good, and the speaker performance is also quite acceptable for the pricing it is being offered. So that's the unboxing and hands-on with the Detel Rockstar Bluetooth speaker, and this device is priced 9,999, and if you plan to buy this device, we will share the link in the description of this video from where you can buy this. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Detel Rockstar Bluetooth speaker. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.